Okay, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, what's up, Tails? Oh, hi, Opie. What have you been doing? Well, I just got back from the vet. Bringing a chef to the vet in JoJo. Um, okay then. So, George is working on Chef getting his flu shot. Okay then. So, I heard you was scared of lightning storms. Is this true? Yeah, but how did you know? Well, a duck friend just told me. Duckster? Yeah, he said you was afraid of lightning. Yeah, it really terrifies me and everything. Well, well then, since you were here, let me check my weather scanner on to see how many degrees is on my phone. Hmm. Hmm. Well, today's gonna be a sunny day. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is it? Well, tonight and tomorrow, it's gonna be lightning storms every day. Tonight and tomorrow? Exactly. You will be afraid of lightning then. Oh no! But don't worry. I'm gonna have someone to help you conquer your fear. Conquer your fear of lightning storm. Um, are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, look at my phone. See, the weather says it's gonna be raining and thundering out, and then all night and all day. So no one's gonna be allowed outside then. So yeah. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna hire someone to conquer your fear. Oh, that's a good spirit. Hey there. Hello, lead. Hey, did you know there's gonna be a storm here tonight and tomorrow? Yeah, I heard. And I already checked on the weather scanner. Ah, good for you, good for you. So what you been up to, Elite? Well, I just got back from the store. Oh, you got back from the store? Like what? Well, I went to the store to get some famous treats. Have you never heard of? Hold on, they might be around there somewhere. Okay, I think I got these. Oh, what are those? I'm glad you ask. Are they for dogs? Yes, I'll be there for dogs. And also, they will be for everyone too. So, what are those for? Well, those are for everyone, and then I called them the Tummy Yummies. Tummy Yummies? Never heard of them. Well, I just found them in the store, and they're called Tummy Yummies. They're very tasty too. I tried one. Are they for dogs though? Well, what do I look like? Scooby Doo? Not exactly. That is pretty great there, Elite. No problem. Hey, I got you one for Puppy Clipper too. Hold on. Might be at the front. Aha, here we go. Here you go, Opie. Just for Puppy Clifford. Thank you, dude. No problem. Ah, I wish I had a pet. Well, maybe you'll get one very soon. Oh, I hope so. I'll see you later, guys. See ya. Yeah, see ya. Tummy Yummies. Those are perfect. Maybe, maybe so. They might be tasting better than Tubby Toast. Maybe so. Maybe I might have to try one to see how does it taste. Did they taste better, like, than Tubby Toast? What do you think, Tails? I'm not sure. And, can you help me? Oh yeah, your your fear of lightning. Alright, hold on a second. I'll go get someone to help you out. Okay? Okay, Opie. Um, it's alright there. Well, I'm gonna go get help right away, okay? Stay put. Okay, no big deal. Oh, I had to go to my workshop anyway.